Motorola is gearing up for the 2026 Moto G lineup, which will feature the Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026. Leaked official renders and full specifications. The Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026 share nearly identical designs. Both have flat displays with a centered hole-punch camera. The bezels are uneven, with a thicker bottom bezel. Their frames are flat but curve slightly toward the front and back. The Moto G Play 2026 also features a 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. Gorilla Glass 3 protects the screen. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. It has 4GB of RAM with a RAM boost feature for virtual memory expansion. Storage is 64GB UFS 2.2. The rear camera is a 32MP quad-pixel sensor, while the front camera is 8MP. It has a 5200 mAh battery with slower 18W turbo power charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.